Two titans of digital note-taking, Coda and Roam Research, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Coda, the collaborative and dynamic workspace. On the right, Roam Research, renowned for its cerebral note-taking for researchers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
All right, before we hit the nitty-gritty, let's look at our mind map.
We're going to break this down by price, note-taking style, collaboration, and customization. If you've got a favorite feature in mind, hang tight. We'll get there.
So, first up, price. Coda gets you started with a free trial,
Which, honestly, is perfect if you want to dip your toes in before you go all in. But once you do, the paid plans can get a bit steep. Just saying. Now, Roam Research does have a free version, so you can totally get started without a credit card panic. And if you do upgrade, small teams will actually find it pretty affordable. There's a catch though. Free comes with limited features, but in terms of overall value for most folks, Roam kinda edges ahead here. All right, shifting gears, note-taking style. So, Coda is all about structure. You get collaborative docs, and stuff feels super organized. But here's a little hesitation. It's not quite as open-ended or flexible, especially if you want to go wild with your personal creativity. Roam, on the other hand, this is where things get kinda wild. In a good way. Bi-directional linking, notes bouncing off each other. The whole system starts to look like your own brain map. It can feel a little chaotic, I'm not gonna lie, but if you vibe with that, Roam is a dream. Definitely takes this round for sheer brain-like note-taking. Next up, collaboration. Okay, so Coda, this is kind of its party trick. Real-time updates, smooth teamwork, spreadsheets, databases, all that. If you need to work with other humans, Coda's got your back. If you're more of a lone wolf, it might feel a bit much. Roam's collaboration is getting better. Public sharing, some team features, but right now, honestly, still feels kinda limited. So, Coda definitely wins at the collaboration game.
Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Both Coda and Roam are designed to enhance productivity, but they cater to totally different needs.
It's like apples and oranges, or, I don't know, spreadsheets and neural networks.
Last one, customization. Coda brings plugins galore, so you can tweak your workspace to suit your weirdest little habits.
But sometimes, I'll admit, it gets cluttered. Too many bells and whistles can get in the way. With Roam, it's serious business. APIs, extensions, scripting, you can build some wild stuff. The catch? You'll need to know your way around some tech. But if you love hacking your digital brain, Roam totally steals this one. Quick summary, when you look at all those categories side by side, you can definitely see where each one pops out ahead. Roam's flexible and affordable, but Coda destroys at collaboration. It's all about what you need most. So, here's my honest take. Coda, if you're working with a team or love structure, it's the workspace king. But if you're solo, nerding out on research, or just want your notes to flow naturally, Roam Research is the move. Both are awesome, but personally, Roam's cerebral style wins for individual power users. All right, want to supercharge your workflow? Try both, and see which one feels right for you. Check them out. Your productivity totally depends on finding your perfect fit.